What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video with your boy Ricarti, man. Today's video, we are doing a Temu box open haul, you know. I'm gonna try on some of the stuff. I ain't gonna try on all of it, you know, because I don't want to ruin it for when I post it on my Instagram and stuff that you're gonna follow, by the way. It's rsuggs23. Go follow me on Instagram, okay? But no, I got two packages. We gonna see what's in the mystery box or the mystery package. Y'all know what I mean. Let's get right into the video. Do this one since it's open already. It got ripped, by the way. I did a story time. Go watch that video. First thing in the package. I don't think I'm gonna try it on y'all because I'm too tall and I don't want to have to try it on. And then y'all just gonna have to see on my Instagram. But I'm gonna show y'all what I got, bro. I'm just too tall. My tripod still hasn't came yet. I don't know, I gotta call them. That's another story, but this is what I got first. Ooh. Got these like cargo red, like strawberry colored shorts. Something different, you know, summer here. You know, got different type of pockets. I like these, you know. I really like these, like strawberry color. Yeah, I like these a lot. I could throw some white Air Forces with them, probably with a cutoff shirt. You know, I ain't gonna lie, LA been super cold, so I could probably throw a beanie on too. So these are fire. We got what's in this. See what's in this bad boy. You know what I'm saying? Oh, I got some jorts. These are hard. It's like stitching on it. I like these. Okay. Summer vibes, okay. Got the jorts. I'm excited, I love jorts, you know. Yes, sir. Okay. I like doing these type of videos. It's like a mystery. Hello. Just kidding. It looks like a jacket, I don't know. Oh, they're leather. This is a jacket? Oh, no, these are pants. Oh, these is hard. They're like leather jargo. I said jargos. Leather kind of pants, but like jogger form. These are hard. And then they got the string in the front. No, these is tough. I'm gonna have to hang these up because I don't want to get wrinkled. Yeah, no, these are tough. They're like leather joggers. But on the bottom, it's like kind of flared. No, these are tough. These are definitely tough, and they got a pocket in the back. Yeah, these are definitely tough. Definitely. Yes. I'm definitely gotta fold these and hang these up because I don't want these to get wrinkled. Oh, these are so tough. Oh my gosh. See what this is all about. Next package. It's a shirt. Like the material on it. Ooh, it's like teeth. I'm guessing it's like werewolf. The material, if y'all feel this material, y'all, oh my gosh, I'm gonna crop it. It's really big and square. Yes. I can't wait to wear this. I'm gonna crop it up. You know what I mean? Crop that up. It might be a long video. So I'm gonna show every piece. Yeah, I'm happy I'm not trying it on because this video will be too long. I like getting to the point of things, you know? Do you get what I'm saying? Okay. 2 in 1, I guess. Ooh, this is hard. It's like a collar. This is tough. It's kind of big though. I don't know if I could crop it though. I want to crop it, but I don't know. It's kind of big, but I like it big, but I might crop it. I don't know what y'all think. I don't know if I should crop this type of shirt. It's definitely a Miami vibe type of summer. I don't know if I'm gonna crop this, but this is tough. I like the color. Blue's one of my favorite colors. They got some tan in it. This is fire. Next package. Got some shorts. Ooh. 2 pairs of black shorts. Okay. I feel it, I can dig it, I can dig it. I love shorts, you know? That's what I'm collecting this summer. I'm really a short type of guy for the summer, so I found my style in that, so yeah. Got 2 pairs of black shorts, you know? I feel it, I feel it. I think this is another pair of shorts. Okay, this is a gray pair. Ooh, I can wear this with my cool grays. Ooh. Got another pair of shorts. I can wear this with my cool gray 11s. If you know, it's hard wearing cool gray 11s because it's hard to wear a lot of gray with it, you know? So this is definitely a good fit for my cool gray 11s. If you know what I mean. All right, that's the end of this. That was the end of this one. Let's get to the second pack. It's like Christmas in May. I don't know what this is. Ooh, pair of black pants. I love black pants. Pair of black pants. They're real, they're flared. They're flared at the bottom. They're a little baggy, and I like the little streaks in them. Okay. Okay. I feel it, I feel it. I'm collecting a lot of bandanas. It's a purple bandana. I can find a fit to wear that with. Woo! I love these hats. You know me, I love beanies, bro, so. I got green, black, tan, and now blue. Blue's my favorite color. Yeah, this is definitely a vibe. How I look? Ooh, this is my flavor, y'all. It's like a shirtless, it's a sleeveless shirt with a cross. This is dope. This is dope. Dope. Other one. Okay. Got some shorts that have a cross on it. I don't know what this says. I don't know what that says. I'm not good at cursive. It has like an angel on it. I could wear it with that. And then a cross on the shorts. These are dope. I like those. Uh-oh. Ooh. Got some pants. These are definitely flared. The bottoms go hard. Oh, it's like an extra piece to it though. Interesting. Oh, these is kind of tough. It's like an extra piece to it. You know? And, these is tough. I like those. And last but not least, oh, button up, definitely a summer vibe. My cup of tea. Got like a face in the back. And then I seen a rose. Yep, they got some rose in the front. Definitely a summer vibe. But all right, y'all, that's the end of the video. That open box haul was definitely a W, you know? I can't wait to create some outfits out of what I have of this. Yeah, so if y'all want to see my outfits, go follow me on Instagram. It's rsuggs23. It's gonna be down in the description as well. I just didn't want this video to be too long, so this really was an open box haul, not a try on haul. So try this on, man. Comment down below, what do y'all think the best fit gonna be on here? What was y'all favorite piece of this open box haul? I ain't gonna lie, I think my favorite was the I kind of like those the ripped off jeans, so I'm excited for it. But I can't wait to create these outfits. I'll see y'all in the next video. I'm out.